two different ways on how to change your wallpaper and lock screen on the iPhone 14 and 14 series devices. Welcome to How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your lock screen, which is this page here, and also show you guys how to change the wallpaper, which is back here in the background of your device. So there are two ways that I'll be showing you guys, and I'll be kind of going through some of the options that give you some of the newer stuff that they have included in with the iPhone 14, little customization of the background and wallpaper. So where we're going to start off by changing it, we're going to start off by going into settings. Once you are in settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see wallpaper. And from wallpaper, so you guys can see the current one we have is the one that is stock, that is given to us when you get the device and turn it on. It's pretty much pre-downloaded. If you wanted to edit this one, modify it, you can go ahead and just hit customize. You can just, from at this point, you're just changing different colors. It does give you the option to change widgets over here, or add widgets over here. So let's say you wanted an alarm or a clock to go there. Let's say you wanted a larger widget, not just like an app-sized one. All you have to do is go ahead and come down here and hit clock. And here you are then able to pick up what you want, different times, different areas, set an alarm. So let's say we wanted an alarm. You can go ahead and use that to set that for an alarm. If you wanted some of these smaller ones, whatever, some calendar events, whatever you had going on, you can set that as well. So just like that, it's pretty much customizable. And when you are done customizing or changing whichever feature you want, you can go ahead and hit done, and it updates it here. So now when we go to our lock screen, you guys can see alarms are here and calendar events are popped up here as well. So that's pretty cool. But I'm just going to show you guys how to add a new one. So let's say you wanted something completely different. All you got to do is hit the little add a new, and here is where things get a lot more updated since the last time. Last time we just pick from a couple different things, and that's all you have. It's some live features, stuff like that. Here we can pick from photos, from photo shuffle, emoji, weather, or astronomy, even color. The ones that I found kind of interesting, kind of cool are these emoji ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and select emoji. Here we're given the option for a small grid. So all you got to do is swipe. Now we are on medium grid. You can swipe again, large grid, just kind of what we have set in large. Now we got rings and we got a spiral. The ring and the spiral aren't that interesting to me. Medium or small grid is pretty cool, kind of appealing. If you wanted to change the icons that you have, so if you like to fly, this might be a cool one to have. If you wanted to try something else, we are given 6 emojis you can add. So let's say we didn't want some of these cloud ones. We wanted to do a heart, one of this, something like that. Whatever it is, maybe like music, add whatever you want for emojis, and it pretty much lets you customize with the ones you have on there. So once those are all set, right down here is color change. So we can select that and change the background color. Say the blue is not cool enough for you. You wanted to go with a pink, or more of a magenta, red color, whatever. You can select whatever color you want, and once you have it set, all you got to do is hit add. And here it's asking us set as wallpaper pair, so you're going to be setting both of them, or if you wanted to customize the home screen with a different one. Right now, if you wanted to do one being this, and so if you were to customize the home, it gives you the option to change the colors. You can even add a photo as your background instead. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and set both those the same by going back. It set both of them as the same. So you guys can see that's my lock screen. And if I go to my home screen, you guys can see all I'm seeing is just that pink there. So if you wanted to change that wallpaper, say separately, this can be the second way of how to change it. We're going to start off by going to photos. And right now we are in our photos, most recent photos. Say, big card collector or whatever, and you got a cool card you wanted to share on your wallpaper. Once you find the photo that you're going to be sharing, all you got to do once you're there, the little send button, select that, or share button, and you can go down here. Right down here it says use as wallpaper. So once you are here, select that, and as you guys can see, that image is then brought into my device. And here, it gives you that option, pinch to crop. You can, once you have it, you can move it around to whatever location you want. You could zoom in if you wanted to. You got to pretty much zoom in on the image that you want, or the portion of the photo that you want. But let's say that's where we want it. Once again, you can add widgets, move stuff around, whatever. But gives us a couple different colors. There's a natural color. There's a black and white, duotone, color wash. I'll just go ahead with the live color that was there, the natural. And then once again, there's depth effect. We got nothing on this image. So Once you have that set, we'll go ahead and hit done. And it's just going to be asking us, do you want to set as wallpaper for the pair or customize for the home screen? We'll just go ahead and do that. And then let's say we'll go into photos, say a different image. We'll go ahead and use this one, and we will use that one for the home screen. And it's pretty much showing you what it's going to look like. It's not letting me zoom in or out, but just like that, once you have it set, you're able to kind of play with the colors. But I'm just going to go with original with the photo that is there, and I'm going to go ahead and hit done. So now that we are done, I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you guys that this is that background that we had set. So it's there, and then the lock screen is the one that I set there. So there you guys have it. That is my quick and somewhat long, I guess, tutorial on how to change the wallpaper, the lock screen, how to customize it, showing you guys that lock screen, the little emoji stuff, how to modify and edit that. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share this with anybody who might be looking for this information. And if you'd like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 14, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.